I packed a lot of stuff for vacation. I want to be sure I have everything I need, but now my suitcase is so heavy.
Would you say your burden is heavy? I know someone who can help. Guess what? You're listening to Keys for Kids, and my name is Zach. I'm so glad that you're here today. When you go on vacation, you need your toothbrush, some sunscreen, and enough clothes. But remember, you can't take everything. You have to decide what's most important. If you bring too much, it will just weigh you down. Worry is like that. Some things should concern you, but a lot is out of your control. You need to give those things to Jesus so he can carry them for you. 1 Peter 5:7 says this, "Give all your worries to him because he cares for you." Our story for today is called The Suitcase. "Get in there," said Finley, shoving her beach blanket into her suitcase. "Are you still packing?" asked her older brother Ian. "We're leaving in 10 minutes. Here, let me help you." He jumped on the lid of the suitcase, holding it in place while Finley moved the zipper around the edges. Dad appeared at the door. "I'll take your suitcase to the car," he said, picking it up. "Wow! Why is it so heavy?" "Because she's taking half the things in her room," said Ian. "Well, they're important," Finley said. "I need my hat, my beach blanket, and 3 swimsuits in case I can't decide which one to wear. I need my sailboat to play with in the ocean, and I can't build sandcastles without my pail and shovel. If it rains, I'll have my raincoat, my boots, and my umbrella. I also packed a puzzle, some games, and bedtime books, and my teddy bear in case I can't fall asleep." "I think you should leave some things behind," said Dad. "But what if I need something and don't have it?" "Finley, I think something else might be weighing your suitcase down," said Dad. "Just like you packed too many things in your suitcase, you can also pack too many worries in your head, and they can make life very heavy." "I thought I was just planning ahead for a good vacation," said Finley. "It's good to be prepared, but there's a difference between planning ahead and trying to control anything that could happen. That's what worrying is, being afraid of something you can't control. If you unpack your worries, your suitcase will probably be lighter too." "But how do I unpack my worries?" asked Finley. "By surrendering them to Jesus. He loves you so much he died for you, and he promises to take care of you. Instead of worrying about what might happen, you can have peace knowing he's in control. Let him carry the weight of your worries." Dad unzipped Finley's suitcase. "Why don't we take a moment to pray about some of your worries now? Then we can lighten up that suitcase and start our vacation." Well, how about you? Do you feel heavy with worry? Are you afraid of things in your life you can't control? Worries can weigh you down like a heavy suitcase, but it doesn't have to be that way. Jesus wants to carry your worries for you. He died and rose again to save you, and he promises to provide you with everything you need. So pray about what's worrying you and trust him to take care of you and give you peace. Our key verse is found in 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 7.
"Give all your worries to him because he cares for you."
And our key thought, give your worries to Jesus. It's true that life can get pretty busy sometimes, right? That's why you can take the Keys for Kids stories with you on the go with the Keys for Kids mobile app. That way you can listen in the car when you're on your way to school or take time to learn more about God when you're going to soccer practice. You can read the story along with me every day on your favorite smartphone or tablet. Get your parents' help and search your app store for Keys for Kids. Well, as always, my name is Zach. Thanks for listening to Keys for Kids today, and do me a favor. Share Keys for Kids with a friend, and then both come back tomorrow. We'll see you then.